Okay, hi folks, Philip here from Facilitate. Just going to go through how easy it is to create questions in Facilitate and where we can use them. So before we jump into creation, let's have a look at the learner's view of questions. We can see here we're in the virtual classroom if we've got a question and the learner is responding to that. So we can see here there are multiple choice questions with a maximum of 4 and a minimum of 2 response options. And here we go, the learner's just choosing and submitting their response. Now questions can be put into a number of different content. They can being put into the virtual classroom, like this. You can have it at certain timestamps within a video. You can also, of course, put questions within 360 scenarios as well. So as a hotspot in there. All right, great. Let's have a look at creating questions. So you go to library and you go to questions, as you might think. Pretty simple. In the top right, you go to create new, and you can upload from CSV, but we're just going to do it from scratch. So if you create from scratch, the first box up the top will be the question content itself. So you simply write the question in here, and then below you have the response options. Like I said, a minimum of 2, so it can be true, false, and up to a maximum of 4 response options. So you simply write them in the A, B, C columns, and then you select which is the correct answer. Now you notice there you can also include images as well. So you can simply click the upload button and then the learner will be shown an image as well. And as with everything in Facilitate, you can tag it so you can associate it with a particular type of content or a particular session. And then you click save, pretty simple. And there you go, there's your brand new question in the library, and you can edit, duplicate, delete, and manage that question as per all other assets in Facilitate. So let's look at putting a question within a 2-dimensional video. So in other words, splitting a video, say at a particular timestamp, say at 10 seconds, and then having the question pop up, and after the question's been responded to, that the video will keep playing. So we'll see here we dragged in a little bit of content into this experience, and now we've got a video there, and we're going to split that video by clicking on split, and then we'll simply select here the 11-second mark, and we'll click split. And done. So now there's 2 parts of that video, the before 11 and the after 11 seconds. And you simply drag the question into the middle of those 2 parts, and then the question will be shown at that timestamp. And again, to publish this experience, you just go to publish, you select whether it's collaborative or solo. You can have a start date, you can have an end date, and you can select the environment. And that's it. And there's our experience with our question embedded inside that video. Awesome, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.